Hey, welcome, my peeps. So we deployed all of the things. We deployed the storage account, the container, the Azure AI search service. We uploaded some data. So here's the brilliant stuff that's going to happen. Now we want to go ahead and do the first search. So if you go to your search bar, again, the steps in the cookbooks are there. This is lesson number 14. Lesson number 14 is a very small cookbook, and it just tells us how we can do this. So pretty quickly, if you go back to your portal, you can then go again to find your search engine, which is your AI search, right? You just type in there. It helps if you can type things correctly. AI search. All right, you double click on it. So we deployed everything that is required for this to work. So we're going to use something called the Search Explorer. The what? The Search Explorer. So if you click on the Search Explorer, it will open up this. This will allow you to search through your documents. So in our case, we remember we uploaded a couple of documents. If I double click on the page slip, I can say that I have something called Dan Fan, right? Dan Fan. So if I come here and then I type Dan, I should be able to see the PDF that goes to Dan, as you can see, right? So this is the PDF that goes to Dan. Again, if I type the same name, I should be able to see this payslip. See, it's working perfect. Every document you use upload will come up exactly as it should. So this is exactly how Azure AI Search Service works, right? You connect your data and you connect your storage account. All of a sudden, you can do this. But as you can see, this is not very nice, especially on the end user part. Like me and you can understand it, but users want to use something that looks like ChatGPT, which is the front end application. But so the next thing that we're going to do in the next video is to deploy what is known as an app service. Okay, again, to deploy an app service and to create it is very, very easy. You can create the app service using ChatGPT by just describing what you want the app to be, and then after you do that, you can then upload the app and follow the steps and make sure that you can connect it to your search service, and then all of a sudden people will have a front end application that they can now use to search data as employees without having to log into the Azure AI service like we are doing. So that's the next thing that we're going to look at, which is to deploy the app service, configure it, make sure it works. And after we do that, and boom, we can make that available to our users. Okay, so see you in the next video.